Hi and welcome to our test center here in Wächtersbach. Today we are going to show you our shuttle system and answer the most important questions. As you can see, we are storing the totes 4 deep. From our experience, 4 deep storage offers only benefits. If you compare the space of stored totes to totes which are moved by the shuttle, the ratio of stored totes is much higher than in other systems. All shuttle movements are really resource saving. As the loading device is guided in the steel structure, there are no forces on the shuttle itself. Here you see a great example of our staircase tower, which ensures easy and fast access to all different maintenance levels. The service lift and rails, which are temporarily extended, ensure a fast shuttle exchange in under 10 minutes. Here we are inside of our shuttle aisle. This is the latest evolution resulting from the feedback of our customers and lessons learned. The most important parts are: we have standardized B2 steelwork, we gained more space inside our aisle, the busbar is protected by the shuttle rail, and we have easy access to our lifts. For us, it is really important to use standardized and high quality products. This gives us security regarding spare parts availability and for future regulations such as EU RED and EU cybersecurity. We are 100% focused on our shuttle system. We offer open interfaces, a modular design, and the whole package is designed just for integrators. It's not just another shuttle system. It's a real game changer. It's a future-ready system and the most compact shuttle system in the world.